Hi, this is Xiaomi Redmi 10 camera tips and tricks. So firstly, let's open camera app, and here I'm gonna show you the best tips and tricks in the settings first, and then we will go through these modes. So to go into settings, we need to tap on the three lines, select settings, and first thing we can do is to add watermark. Just go in this section. Here you can enable device watermark, add timestamp on photos, and also you can create your custom watermark, so you can just enter something here. I misclicked, so let's return in this setup. And here I'm gonna just adjust everything to the perfection. And now we can save it and let's test it. I'm gonna take a photo and now we're gonna immediately open it. And now we got this watermark in this down left corner with my own word. So you can enter anything in this custom watermark just according to your preferences. Let's go back in the settings and now let's disable it and go in smart suggestions. Here we can enable cool features, scan QR codes, and also enable document scanner. And now you can scan QR codes but only with rear camera and in a photo mode. Now if we scroll down, let's see this volume button function. So we can enable timer with the help of volume button function. We can enable shutter, zoom, and volume. Let's leave the timer and I'm gonna show you how this works. So just press either volume up or down. And now the timer is enabled, so the photo will be taken after 3 seconds. We can switch to another option, for example, zoom. And now let me take the sticker, point the camera at it, and to zoom in, we would need to press volume up, and to zoom out, just press volume down button. Here are these buttons. And let's return in the settings. I got few more features left for you. So the next is tap to take a photo. You can tap the preview screen to take a photo, and let's try this out. I'm gonna just tap the screen and now the photo should be taken. Yeah, it's working. The photo was taken. Now let's return in the settings. And here scroll a bit more, and now we can also disable shutter sound here or enable this pocket mode, so you can lock touch gestures when placed in a pocket. And now let's go through these modes. First thing we can see is photo mode. Here you can just enable AI camera for better quality photos, HDR. Here you can tap on the three lines, set a timer for 3 seconds, 5 or 10, so the photo will be taken after 3, 5 or 10 seconds. And also you can either enable or disable grid lines, and when enabled you'll see these lines on the screen. You just need to place the object in the center to take the best photo possible. And also we got here timed burst, so we can make 30 photos just in 5 seconds, like that. And this is how it works. I'm gonna stop it because this will take a long time. Also, we can switch to another format. We can make it full. Just go through this setting. Now we can also switch to this video mode, and here, like in a photo mode, we can tap the screen and adjust the brightness. We can drag the slider down, we can drag the slider up like that, and we can do just the same in a photo mode, by the way. And also in the video mode we can change video resolution. For that, just tap the three lines, and here we got two options: 1080p at 30 fps and 720p at 30 fps. And you can disable or enable grid lines here as well. Also we got this pro mode. Here we can adjust white balance. Here we can drag the ISO like that and change the exposure. Just adjust these settings according to your preferences, and that's it, how it works. And the last feature I want to show you is located in this More tab, which is 50MP camera. With the help of 50MP Ultra HD, you can just take high quality photos and see more details in this photo. For example, some text on the box like that. Let's take a photo. And now we can see every detail on this photo, on this picture. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.